Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can post a story on Instagram. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet and make sure that you have the Instagram app downloaded on your device. Once you make sure of those things, open up the Instagram app. After the home page of Instagram opens up on your screen, make sure that you're logged in. Now, once you make sure that you're logged in, on the top left corner of your screen on the Story tab, you'll see the Your Story option. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the Your Story option, you'll be guided to another page. Now on this page, you can either choose from your gallery or you can just simply click on this camera option to instantly post a picture and share it on your Instagram story. I hope this video helped you to post a Instagram story. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.